Angie's Table. So today we have a very special video because we were gifted this Amsam starter pack and it is phenomenal. So let me tell you more about it. You can cook restaurant quality Asian dishes in under 20 minutes with these sauce starters. So Amsam starter is a pantry shortcut for a specific Asian dish, combining all sauces, aromatics, and seasonings that you need. Recipes are provided, so all you need to do is bring your own protein and veggies to the party. Even New York Times, CNN, and Vogue raved about them. They have a variety of sauces, so today we're going to be using Pepper Teigen's Krapow, and we're also going to be using the Yuzu Misoyaki, which I haven't used yet. I've used this. It was so good. So last week, Gino and I were thinking about going out to eat, but we decided to stay in, and I'm glad we did. I did not regret my decision. We combined some ground chicken, broccoli, just some things that we had in our fridge, and we cooked this up over rice. So good. It had a little kick to it, spicy. I was actually really shocked at how good it was. And when you order these things off their website, they have recipe booklets that come with it, but you can also find these on their website, and it's actually quite cute. It's very bright and colorful, eye-catchy. It's very easy navigation and straightforward. When you go to purchase them, you can either get individual starters or buy them in a bundle, and I've seen that Foxtrot sells them as well. So today we're going to be cooking up 2 dishes. Let's go and do our prep work and talk more about Amsam. We will be making an eggplant recipe and a shrimp recipe, but the eggplant takes a little longer, so we're gonna be kind of doing both things at once because this has to go into the oven. Cut this part off, and we're gonna cut this the long way in half. I'm gonna make some diagonal cuts so that the sauce can really get absorbed into the eggplants. And I'm gonna go the other way as well. Eggplants and mushroom, they're like sponges. They just soak up all that sauce, and it's really good. We haven't really done an eggplant dish on this channel, so I'm really glad that we are doing this today. Quite thick of an eggplant, so I'm actually gonna cut this into 4. So should have thought of it before, but I think it's gonna be easier to eat like this too. I'm gonna get a baking dish and just oil it down a little. I have the oven preheating at 400°F. Place our eggplants down and drizzle some more olive oil on top. So this will go into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of your eggplant. We'll take it out, add the Yuzu Misoyaki sauce, and put it back in there on broil. So we're gonna start working on our shrimp Krapow dish. So on this one, well, they don't have the shrimp one on here, but they have it on their website. It asks for different vegetables, but it doesn't really matter. I like broccoli better than green beans, and they never ask for scallions, but I'm gonna add scallions in there. I'm gonna add cilantro in there because those are the flavor profiles I like. So you guys don't have to follow the recipe. You can use it as a guidance, but you can add whichever protein, whichever veggies of your choice. Okay, should we do thicker slices, Grace, or thinner slices?
Thicker.
A little bit for garnishing. Some basil I'm gonna roughly chop up. Smells so good. Just take these off the sprig for the cilantro, because I kind of like the shape of the whole thing in there instead of it being chopped up. And I guess it's more of like a garnish. Add some oil. Let's add in our onions and the scallions.
Are we saving those? Medium high?
Yes, medium high. So I'm gonna add the shrimp in later because I don't like it when my shrimp is overcooked and it gets smaller. So I'm gonna add the shrimp in when I add the sauce in. broccoli. I'm gonna add in my shrimp. Add in our basil. Our Amsam sauce. So cool that you don't need to do anything else.
Yeah, this is
Right?
like perfect for me. I can't wait to try the other sauces.
And that was so easy. Now we're gonna take out our eggplant from the oven and add our sauce in. Add it back in the oven on broil for another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna go in with the sauce. Okay. So I'm just gonna spread this a little bit, although I do think it will melt on, just so it's more even. So do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 휴가, which means vacation. And we decided to use this word because Grace is going on a baby moon or vacation to Hawaii for a couple days now. We'll have some Hawaii vlogs out versus like what I do, which is gonna be nothing at home. But she's really excited to go to Hawaii. I think it's your first time, right? Mm-hmm. I've never been. She's just gonna go and relax, spend a lot of time there with Kevin, and just enjoy their time before the baby comes. So today's word of the day is 휴가, which means vacation. It is time to eat. What should we start off with? I want to try the shrimp one first.
Yeah, let's do this shrimp one first.
Okay.
This is a starter pack. I like the cilantro addition to it. I feel like there's a lot more flavors. I think like for me, the hardest thing about cooking is, like you said, getting the flavor and the seasoning right. But this literally tastes like you got it at a restaurant.
I'm sorry, guys.
Made it at home.
Grace's voice sounds a little sick because she has really bad allergies. That's why her voice is a little husky and low today. It's so good.
So good. So I really like what this company stands for, and I was kind of looking into their story and their background. And it was started by 2 Vietnamese sisters who are daughters of Vietnamese refugees. They said it was a dream for them to start this company and kind of just celebrate Asian flavors. And I think that's really nice because you go to grocery stores and you'll see a bunch of Asian sauces. So the fact that you can even get these in packets now is amazing.
It's actually really good, guys.
Okay, can we try the eggplant? I'm kind of excited for that sauce.
How is it?
I thought the sauce would be a lot harsher. But it's not.
It actually works really well with this eggplant. And it's slightly sweet from the yuzu, and I like that it's not as runny and saucy as it was for the shrimp dish. This is very good.
A very good vegetarian option. And this was a recipe from their website? Oh, wow.
This is actually my 4th time making it. I really like this one because it's so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out Amsam's website. And when you place an order, just remember that you can either get individual packets or get a bundle like we did here. And we'll see you guys on our next video.